so if your Packtalk Edge ever goes down, don't get rid of it or anything. Just replace the battery. This is the battery right here, as you can see. Basically, you have the prongs right here. Prongs go down on these prongs right here. So your battery is in like this. It's face down. It connects just like an external hard drive. You can slide it in and out of this slot right here. Can that focus? Yeah, there you go. So the battery is this way underneath. This goes in here. This actually goes on the prongs. It goes straight down. Once you do that, you have 8 bolts. You have 2 on the inside. So 2 on the inside. One goes right here. Right there. Trying to get it to focus. One goes right there. And the other goes right here. Those are the 2 bolts on the inside. Then at that point, you take this, you put it back on, and you screw in these 6 bolts. Now, if you notice, you have a hole right here on this side, and on this side, you have a space for the wheel. This piece right here, it just goes right into the hole. Try and do this with one hand. It goes into the hole right here. And you just press it in. And I'm always trying to do this with one hand. I can't do it with one hand. But anyway, you press this in inside the hole. Put this inside the hole right here. Then you take this end here and put it on top. Take this end right here, put it on top, and that goes in this hole over here, which is a little bit bigger. You see that? And these two, literally, you can squeeze it together. It actually squeezes together. And I don't know if you ever noticed, but whenever you have a Packtalk Edge, there's a little slot on the wheel. Put a mini screwdriver in there, twist it. You take it off, you pull this out. You take off the screws off the back. You take that apart and you get here. This will be down on the prong. You take out the 2 screws. One is here, one is right here, and the other is right there. So you take off those 2 screws, you pull this straight up, then you just unplug the battery from the back right here. So in this hole, I just pulled it out. It doesn't even clamp in. Just pull it out. Just pull it right out. Once you do that, you get your new battery, put your new battery back in, put everything back together, and then you have a brand new Packtalk Edge, and you don't have to buy one. All right, so I'm gonna put this video up so that somebody can go out there and change the Packtalk Edge battery, and you don't have to replace your unit. This battery that I'm getting is an 850, I think they call it, milliamps or whatever, but yeah, so they have them at 700 and 850. I'm getting 850. On the battery, I saw it as low as $15, but the one I'm getting is like $19. And once I replace it, snap, put it all back together, Packtalk Edge will be fixed. No more battery not charging and running down too soon and that type of thing. So save yourself some money. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully this helps somebody out. There's plenty of videos showing you how to actually take it apart. Go out there and look at it. It's not hard to do, and it's something you can do yourself. Oh, but you will need this. So I have a little computer kit here. I use the screwdriver right here, one this small. just put it in, twisted it to open up the wheel. At that point, I have some star wrenches. One's a star 6. One's a star 6. And the other one is a minus 1.0. Because the bolts are different sizes. All right, they are different sizes. The ones on the two inside are too small. The ones on the outside are a little bit bigger. So that's all you need. So hopefully this helped you out. Thanks for watching. Hey, catch you all on Tuesday. Peace.